Here's a tutorial on how to replace the battery on a Galaxy SmartTag or SmartTag Plus. First of all, the app will show you a generic battery percentage. It doesn't go into details, so it might just stop beeping and it might just say that it wasn't found for a while, which happened to me, and then the only way to do it is to replace the battery. This one uses a CR2032 battery. I'll leave some links in the description. I'm replacing the default one, which came with the device, and it's been about a year, so the battery lasted a while. I'm going to use a pen cap, but you could use a knife or your fingernail, and you basically get a pry in the beginning, which it should give you like a little more space. You will also need a SIM tool or some sort of safety pin to remove the battery once we get to there, because it's held in pretty tight. The benefit of having to open it like this, unlike, let's say, a tile, is that you need tools to open it. So if someone stole it from you, they need to be somewhat experienced. So now I unpried it, and the battery is held pretty tight. You can't just remove it by falling it off. So I put a little SIM tool here, and then apply some pressure, and then take it off. This is the one that came with the device, and it lasted about a year or so. And I bought myself an Energizer one, and I'm going to put it in here. And then there's you might need to press it down just to beep, and then that knows that it's new. And then you just snap it closed, and then you're done. And then you could go to the SmartThings app, and then it'll show you that it's working. Please like and subscribe for more.